reporting an injured animal near the wetlands trail.
It looks like a crane with a broken wing.
Confirmed sighting of the tagged moose near Sector 4. Proceed with caution.
Copy that. Dispatch. We are en route.
We need ground teams approaching from the southeast ridge. The mud looks thick there.
Get me an ETA on the vet team.
The primary access road ends here, just before the bog. We'll stage equipment there.
And the safety zones near the dense forest?
Ropes are here. Are the straps ready?
Yes, and the medical kit is stocked.
Okay, the winch is set. Let's double check the truck.
Watch your fingers on the winch.
Okay, help me with this last crate.
Straps are tight, clear to close the door.
All right, team, gear up. The subject is reportedly near the center of the bog.
Copy that. Moving to the edge.
Watch your footing.
We need to secure the front harness first.
Copy that. I'm setting the anchor point now.
Watch your footing near the edge.
The dosage is calculated at 0.05 milligrams per kilogram, so we're administering a total of 10 milligrams.
Right, that seems appropriate for the bear's size.
Looks like it's taking effect. The struggling has almost stopped.
Good. Keep a close eye on the respiration rate.
Ready, pull. 1, 2, 3, heave.
Slow tension on the winch. Watch the front lines.
It's starting to move. Keep it steady.
All right, keep coming left.
Careful with the legs, lift them over the roots.
We're clear. Let's rotate them gently now.
Watch your step on the root there.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, up.
The flow rate looks good on the isoflurane.
Okay, I'm monitoring the vitals now.
All right, team, the shoulder feels stable. No swelling here. Moving down to the knee now. Reaction is minimal.
C-arm aligned. Are the vitals stable?
Yes, doctor. Ready for exposure.
Initiating scan.
slide her slowly. How are the vitals looking?
Stable for now. Let's get her comfortable.
Look what I brought you. Fresh water and your favorite snack. You're such a good patient.
Come on now, easy does it. You're almost there, steady now.
Look at how clean these margins are on the latest scan.
Yeah, he's stabilized beautifully since the bog rescue. We should plan for release.
I agree. The blood work supports it.
Easy now, nice and slow.
That's it, right this way. Good boy.
Easy now, keep it steady.
Looks good, bring it straight back.
The sanctuary border is here, but the optimal release spot is further down this track.
Okay, the GPS confirms that route. Looks clear. We did it. Everyone is safe.
Thanks to you, Captain. We make a great team.